His car. Hold on. Here's the inside of his cop car. It's messy. Look at this. Here's his rifle. Driver's seat. Here's a computer they have. This is exactly where he is. I don't know why he ain't in trouble right now. Hold on. You know, this maze stuff. There's a prisoner's go back there. Hold on, I'll go back there and I'll look. So you can see if I can get back to what you see. Wait. I'll try to turn the siren on. What?
Knock it off!
How do you do it?
You press my emergency button. What's the matter with you?
Well, then I did. You better come here. Oh, no, I didn't. Well, how do you turn the siren on for a minute?
No, you're not going to turn the siren on for a minute.
You hear that? Oof.
What's the matter with you? Well, yeah, you'd be laughing if I get fired walking the streets. It's real funny.
How do you open the car back where the prisoners go? Huh? How about the back door? How about the back door?
That was hard to do.
Oh, there. Here's where the prisoners go. Ooh, there's probably pee on the ground. Look at that. A pee. Oh, sit back here. Gross. Oh,